Hey guys, it's Anton and we're back playing Meaty Boner from where we left off last time. Let's go. Crap. Alright. Oh! All you need to die. Alright, let's go. No! I did the same fucking mistake. Come on, we're gonna do it for real this time. No fucking around. Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Fucking bastards, go away. Whoa, you're too far away. You keep on it. Dang, I'm already down 5 hearts. Alright, whatever. Let's just keep this going. Alright. Screw you. Come on, don't charge at me. No, no, no. Ah! You prick. Come on. Did I, kill you? I do not want to die, so I'm not going to try to fight anybody else.
Flaming boner!
I fucking died. Oh my god. I'm skipping all these fights. Screw you. Screw you. Alright, let's go. How did I lose a heart already? I didn't even attack anybody. Alright, come on, you stupid freaking werewolf. Screw you. Alright, let's do this. Punch to the face, punch to the face. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. He's dead. Flaming boner. Oh, this is why I needed the flaming boner. Oh my god. Here we go. My bad, guys. The search button is right next to the A button. Yeah, I got the fucking moves, boy. Oh, you still attacked me. Like, what the fuck are you? Oh, you're two of those things. Alright. We'll go over here. Fuck you, werewolf. I just want to get this level over with. Alright, finally. Finally through the fucking first level. Alright, let's do this. Flaming boner.
Flaming boner.
I don't know if you're a bad guy, but I don't trust you. Alright, let's keep going. Fuck off. Fine, I'll kill you if you really want me to. Fucking die. There we go. He's dead. Oh shit. Come on, die already, die already, die already. Okay, I don't know if they're actually dead or I knocked them out, but they just stand in one place. I'm not even punching you. Alright, you're a prick, so I'll kill you. Come on, I gotta kill both of you. Yeah, both of you are dead. Alright. Let's keep this going. Next stage. Alright, let's do this. Okay. Oh, I get to get the flaming boner next.
Flaming boner.
Boner. Whoa. There we go. Okay. The flames were like matched up with my hands. We're like moving opposites. Ooh, I can kill you fast with these. What about you? One hit, one hit. 2 hits. Oh, so you spit like purple shit at me. I haven't gotten spit on by you. Oh, come on, don't do it, don't do it. Come on, fuck you. I really do want to fight you, but I don't know. No, I'm not gonna fight you. Fuck off. Alright, guys. That's about all we have for this episode. Again, thanks for watching. Oh my god, I'm still getting attacked. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm knocked. Okay. Let me get to a little standpoint, and then I'll end it. And I died. Okay, well,